my name is Ashley Cower. I'm a part of the Denver Cobra at One Health University, and I am submitting my general survey and vital signs validations for health assessment. I would knock, and then enter the room and wash my hands, and then provide privacy, and then I would introduce myself to the patient. Hi, my name is Ashley. I'm going to be your student nurse today. I'm going to be performing a general survey and taking your vital signs. Is that okay with you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, can you tell me your name and date of birth?
Landon Grove, July 4th, 1996.
Okay, do you know where you are and what time it is?
Littleton, Colorado, around 2 p.m.
Okay. Do you wear any assistive devices like glasses or a walker?
Yeah, I wear glasses.
In their prescription?
Yes.
Okay. So for Landon's general survey, his overall physical appearance, he seems healthy. His nutritional status, he seems well nourished. I don't see any signs of malnutrition. His hygiene, he seems hygienic. His skin color, it's appropriate for his ethnicity. His posture, he is sitting erect. His physical deformities, he does not have any physical deformities. I didn't see any involuntary movements like a twitch. For his A&O, I would say ×3 because he knew his name, where he was, and the time. His facial expressions and mood appeared calm and relaxed. Hearing and speech, he could hear me and he was able to speak without slurring his words. And then his assistive devices, he said that he wore glasses that were prescription. Now I'm going to be moving on to vital signs. The first vital sign would be temperature, and the average, normal range for that is 97.7 to 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. And I don't have the proper devices to take a temperature, so I'm going to be moving on to pulse. Okay. I'm going to be feeling for his radial pulse right here in the groove of his thumb. I'm going to apply light pressure and take it for a minute. I can feel his radial pulse, so I'm going to begin now. Okay, for Landon's pulse, I got 61 beats per minute, which the average range is 60 to 100 beats per minute. And then for his respirations, I got 12 respirations, and their average range is 12 to 20 breaths per minute. Now I'm going to be moving on to his blood pressure. I have my stethoscope right here, and my blood pressure cuff or sphygmometer right here. So before I put this on, I'm going to feel for his brachial artery, which is right here. And I can feel it right here. So now that I can feel it and I've located it, I'm going to take my blood pressure cuff I'm going to take this left arm arrow and put it about an inch above his brachial artery. I'm gonna have him lift up his shirt so I have full access to the arm. Okay. So I'm having it tight enough to where I can fit 2 fingers. And you can relax your arm a little bit. I'm gonna put this meter right here so I can read it easily while I'm taking his blood pressure. So now that the cuff is on, I'm going to feel for his brachial artery again. And still feel it. So now I'm going to also feel for his radial pulse. And I'm going to inflate the cuff while feeling the pulse. And once I stop feeling the pulse is when I know I'm gonna add 20 to that number that I feel or that I see on here. And I know that's how much I'm gonna have to inflate the cuff when I'm actually taking his blood pressure. So I can feel his radial pulse right here, the groove of his thumb. I stop feeling his radial pulse at 150. So I'm going to add 20 to that. So I'm going to inflate the cuff to 170. And I'm going to begin taking his blood pressure now. So I'm going to put these on. I'm going to feel for his brachial artery one more time. Right here. Okay, I can feel it. So I'm going to take the diaphragm and place it right above it with light pressure. And now I'm going to inflate the cuff to 170. Tighten this. Okay, I'm going to begin now. Okay, for his blood pressure, I got 118 over 76. 118 is the top number, which is systolic, and 76 is the bottom number, which is diastolic. The average range for blood pressure for the top number is 120 to 90, and the bottom number, diastolic, is 60 to 80. Now I'm going to be moving on to the last vital sign, which is pain. So Landon, can you tell me if you're in any pain right now on a scale of 1 to 10?
0.
Okay. And then lastly is oxygen saturation. The average range for that is 92% to 99%. Thank you guys so much. That is the end of my general survey and vital signs validation.